Hello from ETS. This video is going to show you how to do two things with the iPad. First, I'm going to show you how to add a button on your home screen that's going to allow you to easily take screenshots. And the second is how you're going to annotate that screenshot, or better yet, how you would screenshot a printable from Florida Virtual, annotate it, and then submit that Florida Virtual assignment into Canvas so your teacher can give you feedback. So let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go into your settings and you're going to go down to accessibility. And underneath physical and motor, you're going to go into touch and assistive touch. You're going to make sure assistive touch is on by toggling the green button. And you're going to customize actions, the single tap. You're going to select screenshot. And that is all you do. Now this little button right here on this home screen takes a screenshot for me. So now I have the ability to edit that. But let's look at what that would look like from Florida Virtual. So within a Florida Virtual course or a module, let's go into a Florida Virtual module. And we open in Safari. And as you're going along in your Florida Virtual module, sometimes you come to different printables that you may open up. You may wonder, how do I get these printables, or how do I do these printables? Well, here's a really quick way. You can use that new assistive button to take a screenshot. And then when you open that screenshot, just by pressing it, you have tools down at the bottom. There's a lot of different tools. You have a highlighter and a crayon. You have this pencil tool that allows you to write on it. You can customize the pencil tool, your transparency, the width of the pencil, the color of the pencil. You could customize the color by going over here. I'm going to make it a fun purple. And then I can write within this printable. Once you've completed your printable, you go up to the Done button and you save to Photos, which then adds this to your camera roll. And now if I click Done again, this takes me back to Florida Virtual within Canvas. So if I move along to my module, I will eventually get to the point where I am going to submit this assignment. So I am going to click on the submit, or in this case, resubmit, because I've already submitted. And a menu comes up. I'm going to select File Upload. And so now Canvas is asking me, what type of submission do I want to submit? Down at the bottom, I have options. I'm going to select the one that says library, or the one that has a picture with a plus on it. And that's going to take me into my camera roll. And up at the top, I can select from all photos. And there's the one that I just did. Now, if there were multiple pages in the printable, you would take multiple screenshots and annotate multiple times and save them each to your camera roll. And you can submit multiple pictures into your Canvas submission. And once you have submitted, you get confetti and that you have successfully submitted your Canvas assignment. Thank you for watching this video.